do you call if your SUV rolls over on the interstate just because the bulldozer driver didn't see you coming? A 24-year-old was severely injured when his SUV was struck by a bulldozer at a construction site on the interstate. The bulldozer driver didn't see him coming, although there was a long line of traffic that was backed up at the time. Upon hitting him with such force, the bulldozer caused the SUV to roll over several times, and he was severely injured. This client, because of his multiple injuries and because of the psychological effects that affected both him and his family from this very traumatic experience, had tremendous medical bills that had to be sorted through, worked through, and although he had insurance did not cover a large portion of his expenses. But because we were able to help him work through those details, he and his family are now able to move forward from this event.